good morning. This is Deneen, the Coffee Queen, coming to you live from her home coffee shop. You know, this morning I wanted to talk to you about a product, okay? I want to talk to you about an herb, and that herb is called ginseng. So I have a question for you. What do you know about ginseng and why we should be taking ginseng on a daily basis? Well, I'm on my way to the gym this morning. It's early morning. I'm on my way to my gym. But every morning before I go to the gym, I don't drink a Red Bull. I happen to drink my coffee, but my coffee has ginseng in it. And I wanted to talk to you this morning about 3 things that ginseng can do for your body. Number 1, it lowers your blood sugars. Number 2, it lowers your cholesterol. And over all of that, it also gives you lots of energy. And this is why I drink Cafe Supreme from Organogold. Let me tell you about this Cafe Supreme. First of all, it tastes delicious. You see the word gourmet? I'm not sure because of the lighting you may not be able to see the word gourmet, but it has a gourmet flavor to it. And when you talk about a delicious cup of coffee, I want to recommend, matter of fact, hold on for a minute. I need to get me a sip. Wait a minute, one more. Delicious, delicious, delicious. So when you talk about a delicious cup of coffee, I want to recommend to you a brand called Cafe Supreme by Organo. And you can find that on my Facebook cafe. I have a Facebook cafe page. It's called Deneen's FB, as in Facebook Cafe. So going over to my Facebook cafe, check out the site. It's a Facebook site. And if you hit shop now, you can check out my products, okay? So anyway, I just wanted to stop by and tell you, before you go to the gym, it's good to have a cup of delicious coffee. You were going to drink coffee anyway. So it's great to have a cup of delicious coffee with ginseng already in it. And you talking about something that's good, I'll tell you what, if you don't like it 100%, I will pay, not the company, but I will pay 100% of your money back. Okay, so again, if you want to reach out to me, please feel free to do so. If you want to have a cup of coffee with me and conversation, please reach out to me and let's sit down over a gourmet cup of delicious Cafe Supreme. This is Deneen, the Coffee Queen, signing out. Have a blessed and wonderful day. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to get it. Bye-bye.